If the filibuster were taken away from the Senate, we'd be just like the House of Representatives. You wouldn't need a Senate. Why would you need a Senate? So I really believe in the filibuster. The rules have changed over the years as to how you terminate filibusters, and the burden now is much less than what it used to be. It used to be the senators could just talk forever. Then they lowered it to 67 could cut off a filibuster, and now it's 60. And I think it's especially important for people who represent small, sparsely populated states. I think it also gives the legislative branch of government more power over the executive branch of government. So for those reasons, I support the filibuster. I think it's part of the uniqueness of our Congress, and I'm going to do everything I can to maintain it. Sometimes it gets aggravating because when you use it's mostly used when you're in the minority. I'm in the majority now, and sometimes when they say we're not going to let you do that unless you get 60 votes, I'd like to do something physical to stop it, like twist somebody's arm or do something worse than that, but I can't do that. But I support the concept. The change we propose today would ensure executive and judicial nominations an up or down vote on confirmation. Yes, no. The rule change will make cloture for all nominations other than the Supreme Court a majority threshold vote. Yes or no. The Senate is a living thing, and to survive it must change, as it has over the history of this great country. To the average American, adapting the rules to make the Senate work again is just common sense. This is not about Democrats versus Republicans. This is about making Washington work regardless of who's in the White House or who controls the Senate. To remain relevant and effective as an institution, the Senate must evolve to meet the challenges of this modern era. I have no doubt my Republican colleagues will argue the fault is ours. It's the Democrats' fault. I can say from experience that no one's hands are entirely clean on this issue.